New technologies come with new opportunities. Drone flight is a great step forward in the field of Earth observation. A new tool to add to existing platforms such as manned aircraft and satellites, and that supposes a great deal of advantages in terms of costs and operations. From this new perspective, new data and questions arise that we can answer from the sky. Our passion for flight and understanding what happens around us takes us to our mission: to create an ecosystem, a solution for Earth observation and analysis of the image through innovation and the integration of the most advanced technologies. To get the maximum performance of this ecosystem, we present EXO-C2L, the new generation of unmanned aerial systems. A drone with the capability of creating a live flux of information with a great quality of image in real time. A revolutionary small, lightweight fixed-wing drone, ideal to provide a high-precision, comprehensive solution for terrestrial observation. To multiply this power, we present the cloud platform EXO-Data, an access service to the information system of flight and images taken that will convert them into knowledge about the assets and geographical features. In Exodronics, we provide particular solutions suited to every situation, to every project, in the search to maximize benefits. Improvement of construction and maintenance of the assets, improvement of security, and improvement of productivity. A new generation of drones, a new ecosystem of solutions, a commitment. Exodronics. Answers from the sky.